condenser is one of the main heat exchange equipment in refrigeration plant. Can be divided into three categories: air-cooled condenser, water-cooled condenser, evaporative condenser. Today, let's talk about the three types of water-cooled condensers. Vertical shell and tube condenser. Vertical shell and tube condensers are only used for medium and large refrigeration installations. The advantages are, it supports open air installation and saves the area of the machine room, the cooling water flows through the condenser by gravity, and the resistance is small. There is no need to stop the equipment during cleaning, and the water quality of the cooling water is low. The main disadvantage is that the cooling water temperature rises small and the circulation volume is large. Secondly, the refrigerant liquid cannot be supercooled in the condenser, and the heat transfer coefficient is low. Horizontal shell and tube condenser. Horizontal shell and tube condenser is suitable for large, medium and small refrigeration installations. The advantages are, because the water side can be made into multiple processes, the water velocity in the pipe is high, the heat transfer coefficient is large, and the circulation of cooling water is small. The structure is compact and the floor space is small. The disadvantage is that the cooling water flow resistance is large, so the power consumption of the water pump is large, and the water quality requirements are high. Sleeve type condenser. The sleeve type condenser is composed of two or several tubes of different sizes. The large tube is sleeved with a small tube, and the small tube can be one or several, which are wound around an oval or a circle according to the unit layout requirements.